Presiden ke Nehuta Prof Lakhon Kma haba kren chikilak pathai Khubor ha ka tarik Naiwieng ula Pynrem ke jingleh nongialam ke Voice of the People Party ke belawan ban Iakynduh Sopsop yu Vice-Chancellor Nehu ha ka janmiet tarik Naiwieng ha ka por bagi Samla pule ke ni ke skulbah kidang pynlong ke jingiakhih shah thngan. Prof Lakhon Kma ban Iakynduh yu VC hakum ke ni ke por badang khluit ke jingiakhih kam don jingmut eiei ru namar umla ban tem ni pynbeit ke kynrum bagi Samla pule ke lebu ha ke jingdawa jongki. Prof Lakhon Kma kumba kalong minta ka thong hi kalong ban pen urlong ye ke jingdawa jong ke Samla pule ke skulbah bat kinu ki breu ne ki seng ki bawan Nehu ki de banwan ai ke jingkershan bagi jingerap ki kena ki bala shong shah thngan minta lah nyu pu ar genta. Prof Lakhon Kma benrap ru dak boong ke jingleh Iakynduh jing ki khot jong ke VPP yo VC kala nang penbitar shushu ki kena pule namar kumbala tip baro ke jingiakhih kimi na ke jingthok jing syukor bat ke jingbom nyokor jong Vice-Chancellor ye ke jingdawa jong ki Samla pule ye la ke jong ki hok ki basyong basa ha ki hostel.
Yeah, I think, frankly speaking, that was really unnecessary. I think, when you are agitating, even if they have an issue, which they started much before agitation started, I think the timing was wrong. I think I was, of course, a little out because I was in a Shillong Times program. But I heard that, that was unbecoming because, when students are agitating, even we as teachers, if I may have as an association a different view, but right now I'm not going to express my view because students are agitating. Ideally, I would have expected, we want support across party line, by the way. We want everyone, every Meghalayan, whether you are from this party, that party, you please come and support the student. Don't come and just burst into VC's office. That is not unnecessary. Because right now it is a matter, because, they feel very, very offended yesterday, and I feel what they have felt. Because they are on hunger strike, and somebody comes from nowhere to go and meet the VC and come out with solution. They may have submitted a list of solutions, but the list of the problem. But that problem doesn't exist anymore as such. Now the problem is different, which these students are talking. Now you should actually, I would have expected that whoever comes to Nehu now, whether they are from NGOs, whether they are from political parties, across party line, they should come and express their sympathy for the students. Talk to their leadership. What do they want? If they say we want this, then that's it. You cannot say, no, you want this, but I want something else. I will go and talk now, negotiate. No. If that be the case, Nehuta would have negotiated with him long time ago because he has offered her all sorts of things. We don't want to. Because right now our concern is we must first please the students. They should be satisfied. I'm not on hunger strike. They are on hunger strike. Let's not forget that. And that's why I'm saying, whoever comes to Nehu, please be mindful of that. That you come here to express your solidarity with the students first. You see their condition. I feel like crying whenever I saw them. They are lying, like young kids, boys and girls there. They have been fasting for the last 3-4 days. It's not a joke. Naturally, they got agitated when they saw somebody coming and going and talking to the VC when nobody is interested to listen to him right now. And he is a person who has created this problem. No point of negotiating on any. See, for us, these are flimsy issue now. Pro-VC, that is flimsy issue. Right now, issue is you have shown that you don't care about Nehu. You don't care about Nehu students. You don't care about Meghalaya. You don't care about any community that resides in Meghalaya. He can come to the press club and give 20-30 minutes of your press conference coming to press club. Just 2 steps outside his office, he never came to say to students, how are you doing? Can you tell me, have you heard about this? In any institute across the country, even go to an African country, you will not see this. That a VC looking at students outside his window from his office who are on hunger strike didn't even bother to say, how are you doing? That is the level of, and I feel so bad because we belong to a community where for us, human life matters more than anything else. Everything else is secondary. VCs will come and go, professors will come and retire, but the students will be there. Today they are the ones, tomorrow somebody else will come. University has to stay where it belongs, and for that matter, he is the one who has spoiled the whole atmosphere. And I'm sure he will never, I don't think he is such a thick skin that he will not relinquish his chair. What student will do, that is up to the students. But I feel very, very sad to see that a Vice-Chancellor of this kind of attitude is here in Nehu. Had it been in any other place, believe me friends, if in any other state in the Northeast, if he was doing the same thing, you know what would have been the outcome. Thankfully, he is on a peaceful state like Meghalaya. But don't test the patience of students. Don't test the patience of Meghalayans. I mean, things can erupt, provided, if he doesn't really act fast, I foresee that things might erupt badly. Nobody else to be blamed except the Vice-Chancellor. And he will be solely responsible for anything wrong that happens. And if by chance, God forbid, any of these guys loses their life because of hunger strike, I'm telling you, this is going to be I don't know what will happen. I can't even imagine. And hence, if he's listening to this, it's his duty to act. He cannot remain a silent spectator because now the ball is in his court.